And we are proud to welcome you to Fox's first ever coverage of the biggest sporting event on the planet, the FIFA World Cup. First up, the 7th edition of the women's tournament. I'm Rob Stone, and for the next hour, our world-class cast. All right, Julie, thank you. Back here in Vancouver, looking through the cauldron of the seemingly offering new twist by the hour the last couple days. Let's discuss more about the future of FIFA and how it impacts U.S. soccer. Grant Wall, who...
Colombia punched their ticket to Canada with a second-place finish at the Copa America. Now, the French are boasting a squad sparkling with talent. The tournament, though, is full of the stars, ready to shine in Canada and introduce themselves to the world. That will be the hope.
Downstairs, let's take the elevator downstairs and welcome in Kate Abdo, on loan from our friends at Sky Sports and ready to add her vast experience to our coverage this summer. Welcome, Kate.
Oh, thank you, Rob. Wonderful to be part of the team as well. I'm really happy to be along with you guys. I'm actually just one floor below Rob and the rest of the gang at Jackpool Plaza here in Vancouver's beautiful harbour. We really could not have picked a better location for you to bring you the first ever World Cup.
New Jersey, we're back here at our Vancouver headquarters at Jackpool Plaza, flying in high above our replica fields. It's artificial turf, fittingly, here for this Women's World Cup. Kate, we have assembled all of our brain trust over here. Why are they down here with us?
Okay, welcome back as we look down on our home for the next month. And a big thanks as well to the Vancouver Convention Centre, who are kind enough to host us for